Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm just going to jump in to this unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp January card kit, and I'm starting off with this little bottle of unicorn dust. This is a new glitter by Simon Says Stamp, and it is really pretty and sparkly and iridescent. You can see some of the sparkles on my finger. Glad to have that. And next up in the kit is the Simon Says Stamp Clear Fine Detail Embossing Powder. So happy to get this because I did not have any clear embossing powder in my stash. So I am happy about that. Everything else is in this little paper sack sealed with a sticker with the company's website on it. I'm just going to pull everything out of the packaging and lay it down, and we'll go through each individual thing. So first is this little mini Charms grape lollipop. So cute, and I will be really using that as a snack today. Next is the We Are Memory Keepers So Easy Floss, and this is the reds. Really nice, 3 different shades of red. Great for my Valentine's Day cards. Next up is Simon Says Stamp metallic envelopes, and this is ivory. There's a silver and also the cotton candy light pink colored envelope. These are really pretty, and I think I'm going to start off by sharing 3 cards with you guys with this kit. So next up is the 8 pieces of the double-sided 6x6 papers, and these are authentic romance papers, and these are so pretty, these double-sided sheets, and I'm just going to flip through and show you each one. All so pretty, and I really can't wait to start making cards with this kit. Love all these papers. And here's the last sheet, and you can actually cut those up and use those as embellishments on the card. So I can't wait to try those papers out on my cards. And next up is a 6x6 background stamp. It's a cling stamp, and this one is Rose Lattice. And this is a really large stamp. It'll be great on your stamp press for a background. And then next is 3 black note cards. These are pre-scored, and I'll probably be using these as the base to my 3 cards. I'm sure of it. Okay, so next in the kit is this 6x8, which is a really large stamp set, and this is the Love Always stamp set by Simon Says Stamp. Really nice sentiments and scripts and hearts and roses. There's a little bird on here. Just really nice, and I'm really loving these tiny little sentiments. These will be great for little banners to cut out and apply to your card, or to just stamp directly to the card. So I really love these stamps, and I can't wait to play. This is going to be for some Valentine's Day. This can also work for anniversary. Look at the little musical notes at the bottom. I just really can't wait to jump in and use these stamp sets. Really nice. And then lastly in the kit, you get cardstock. And so you get a piece of the Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cotton candy, the doll pink, and then also ivory. And then you get the Neenah Desert Storm 80-pound cardstock. So this really completes the kit. This is everything. I really like these little monthly card kits, and I'm going to try to get the card kit each month and share with you guys. And if y'all know of any card kits that might be worth trying out, or monthly subscription boxes, if you would comment below and share with me. Also, you get this little design page. It's kind of like an inspiration page that can help you out if you need ideas. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click the link below to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.